Hey, how's it going? We're not doing a tutorial today, but we are working on the Jeep. This is the 1999 5-speed manual I pulled out of Colorado a couple months ago. It wasn't really having any trouble overheating, but it was reading about 215. The coolant looked suspect. I decided to go ahead and replace the basically the entire cooling system. Now, with my son working with me, we went ahead and removed the grill. We've got the radiator removed after we drained it. And, you know, air box is gone. What we're getting ready to do is pull the water pump off. We're going to pull the viscous fan off. We're going to replace that. We're going to replace this inlet tube. Then we're going to back flush the heater core and back flush the motor just to get it all drained out. So you got a catch pan under here. Notice some of the parts we got laying out here in the garage: fan shrouds, air box, headlights. Here's the condition of the old thermostat housing, and thermostat looked pretty nasty. It's hot here, got fans going, but grill. Here's a 825. I'm working on putting disc brakes on, but you'll see that video some point. Then back over here, you'll notice still have the drive belt on and tensioned up pretty good. We need to keep it on so we can loosen these nuts here, and also loosen these back here so we can remove this fan, and so we can get this water pump out of the way. Once those are loosened, we'll go ahead and loosen the tension on this drive belt. I'm doing this all just really as preventative maintenance because I don't want to overheat. I mean, this is Texas. It's 102 today. It's July. We like our air conditioning. So for 200 bucks, going on to Rock Auto, let's walk over here. Got everything set up. We got new radiator and hoses, fan, water pump. We've got a thermostat and housing somewhere in one of these boxes. Haven't opened it up yet. Hoses are in there, like I said. 200 bucks. Let's get to work. There was some pure nastiness, oil built up, gunk. Probably an oil leak somewhere at one point. But it's getting cleaned up, just so we can have a efficient running. Take a look at this old nastiness here. The old water pump, covered in crap, and you know, not looking too bad. Can't really see inside there. This thermostat housing, on the other hand, pretty nasty. Fan, viscous fan, is probably in good shape, but I'm replacing it anyway. Radiator cap, kind of rusty and old. That seal's probably gone. And then, of course, we've got some new hoses. And it was the original equipment radiator we pulled out of there. Now that we've got pretty much everything out of there, we can get it cleaned up, start installing the new parts. Like I said, this is not a tutorial. Just doing this so at the end product, I hope we're going to be running about 210, maybe a little less. This is where we back flush the heater core, and it's only designed for about 16 pounds of pressure. So we're gonna get this in here, back flush it, and then blow it out with some air. You see that nastiness coming out of there? I'm gonna do it till it's clear. And it's getting pretty clear right now. Blow it out with a little compressed air here. Just a little residual left after I blew it out. We got all the new components in, you know, new radiator, new hoses, thermostat housing, water pump. We didn't change the heater hoses, but we did do a good back flush on it. We're gonna drive here, since we got all the fluid filled back up, all the coolant, 50-50 mix. We're gonna get her up to operating temperature. Then we're gonna get to work. We're gonna let her cool down. Then we're gonna check the fluid levels once again. We should be good to go. We've been on the road. We've been on the road now for about 30 to 35 minutes. Operating temperature achieved. We're sitting in the parking lot right now, getting ready to shut her off for the day. So we are rolling home here about 3:45 in the afternoon, 103 degrees, and I think we've been on the road about 10 minutes. And doing a little city driving on the way home. We're still home here, just under 210. Like I said, outside temperature 100 degrees, and we've got the AC. Whoops. We've got the air conditioning cranked up in here. All right, everything's cooled off now. Temperatures ran great. We did get a little more fluid into the radiator after it's cooled off, so I'm going to go ahead and top off our overflow reservoir. I'm going to put it back up to the full line now. It's just made it down to the add line. We're just going to top it off with our 50-50 mix. That. And let's take a look at that. All right. Well, that's going to do it for the video today. Just go ahead and keep an eye on your overflow tank. There shouldn't be any reason to open up the radiator any longer. Leave it a sealed system. And until next time, we'll be seeing you.